If there was an animal with an IQ of 200 that tasted absolutely delicious, would humans farm them for food? Historically speaking, humans have three standard moves for animals. We feed them, we kill them, or we enslave them. If this animal looks different from us, like a cow or a chicken with a human brain, the answer is an immediate yes. High intelligence just means a bigger brain, and in many cultures, brains are a delicacy. Intelligence doesn't stop us from eating something. The only things that matter are the growth cycle and the meat yield. If the meat is top tier, humans will find a way to cook it. We have 1,000 recipes waiting for them. But what if they looked like us? What if their anatomy was similar to ours? Well, that wouldn't stop us either. History is basically a cookbook. In the ancient Shang dynasty, they didn't just sacrifice their enemies, they ate them. They even used human skulls as wine glasses because they thought it boosted brain power. During famines in ancient history, humans were referred to as two-legged sheep. They were even graded by meat texture. Women and children were considered the most tender. History books are filled with these dark chapters. In the history of human evolution, there used to be 15 different species of humans. Today, there is only one left. Us, the Homo sapiens. Guess why? We drove the others to extinction. A big part of that was likely predation. We hunted Neanderthals, we fought them, we ate them, and we even mated with them. That is why modern humans still carry Neanderthal DNA. We wiped out the competition. So, in extreme conditions, the line between person and food is very blurry. A butcher who has been chopping meat for 10 years doesn't have much empathy left for the livestock. Primitive humans saw death every day, so eating a rival species was just another Tuesday. However, if a new species appeared today that was smart enough to build a civilization, we probably wouldn't eat them. We would just exterminate them. Nature follows the competitive exclusion principle. If a species is smart enough to be a threat, we have to show them the utmost respect, which means deleting them from the server. If a group of monkeys learns to throw rocks, it is cute. If they learn to build nuclear reactors, they have to die. There can be only one species at the top of the food chain, and that is the terrifying upright ape. But let's say the species is smart, but not smart enough to build a civilization. In that case, eating them is a bad business model. It is a waste of resources. Food is a one-time use item. Slavery is recurring revenue. The smartest move is to enslave them. You train them, categorize them by physical and mental stats, and put them to work. The strong ones do construction. The smart ones write code. You get way more value out of their labor than their meat. Actually, if you think about it, this species already exists on Earth. They are trained from a young age to specialize in a specific field. They work for managers in exchange for survival tokens. If they leave their designated area or fail to show up on time, they get punished by having their resources cut. And when they get too old to work, they are discarded. Yes, that creature is the modern employee. We aren't the farmers, we are the livestock.